हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू वीपीएस एजुकेशन। आज है 4 फरवरी और आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए लाया हूँ आज के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट नेशनल अफेयर्स जिनसे हमारे एग्जाम्स में क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं। तो बिना आपका टाइम वेस्ट किए हुए आज का पहला नेशनल अफेयर है, गवर्नमेंट अप्रूव्स कॉन्टिन्यूशन ऑफ स्कीम्स ऑफ असिस्टेंस टू एनएसएफ विद आउटले ऑफ रुपीज 1575 करोड़। The scheme of assistance to NSF is a flagship central sector and the main source of funding for preparation of national terms for all major national and international competition including the Olympic Games, Paralympic, Asian Games, Para-Asian Games, Commonwealth Games and the other major international tournaments. तो आइए जान लेते हैं इस न्यूज़ से रिलेटेड कुछ और इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ें, जैसे हमारे यूनियन मिनिस्टर हैं अनुराग ठाकुर और निशित परमानिक हमारे वेस्ट बंगाल के मिनिस्टर हैं। तो नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ पे जाने से पहले आप लोगों से मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें, जिनसे मेरी आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आप लोगों को ज़रूर मिल सके। तो चलते हैं आज की नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ पर। SBI, NCF, IGNCA sign MOU for development of Atmanirbhar Bharat Center for Design at Red Fort, New Delhi. A tripartite memorandum of understanding has been signed between State Bank of India, Indira Gandhi Centre for the Arts and the National Cultural Funds for development of Atmanirbhar Bharat for the design at 11 Barrack, Red Fort, New Delhi. Atmanirbhar Bharat Center of Design projects aim to highlight, promote and celebrate the projects that have the geographical indication sign as it signifies a specific geographic origin infused with unique features of that region. NCF approached SBI to support the project. SBI has agreed to sponsor the project under CSR with a contribution of rupees 10 crores for the implementation of ABCD project. अब चलते हैं आज की थर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ पर। भारत डायनेमिक्स signed contract with Indian Army for supply of Konkars anti-tank missiles. Bharat Dynamics Limited and the Indian Army have signed a contract worth rupees 3,131.82 crores for the manufacture and supply of Konkars M anti-tank guided missiles. This contract will be executed in 3 years. Konkars M is a second generation machined infantry anti-tank guided missile to destroy armed vehicles. The missile can be launched either from BMP second tank or from the ground launcher. It covers a range between 75 and 4000 meters with a flight time of 19 seconds. The Government of India holds 74.93% stake in BDL. तो चलते हैं अब हम आज की फोर्थ इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ पर। India and Nepal signed MOU to construct bridge over Mahakali River. India and Nepal on Tuesday signed a memorandum for construction of motorable bridge with the Indian grant assistance over a Mahakali River connecting Dharchula in Uttarakhand with the Dharchula in Nepal. Indian Ambassador to Nepal, Vinay Mohan Kwatra, and Nepal Secretary, Minister of Physical Infrastructure and Transport, Ravindra Nath Shrestha, signed the MOU in presence of Transport Minister Renu Kumari Yadav, according to a statement issued by the Indian Embassy. India will bear all the cost of constructing the bridge, and preparation of the detailed project report for the bridge has already been completed, said informed sources at the Ministry of the Transport. They added that the construction work of the bridge will start soon. The bridge will enhance cross-border connectivity between the Sundar Paschim provinces of Nepal and Uttarakhand across the Mahakali River, where close people-to-people link exist between communities on both sides of the border. तो अब चलते हैं आज की हमारी फिफ्थ न्यूज़ पर। इंडिया साइंस कोऑपरेशन एग्रीमेंट विद SKAO. SKA Observatory Director General Professor Philips Diamond, top left, and the Center Director of India's National Center for Radio Astrophysics (NCRA), Professor Yashwant Gupta, top right, signed a cooperation agreement between the organization on 2 February 2022. Below are attendant including SKAO Council Chair Director Catherine Kashri, member of the SKAO, Director General Officers. India is set closer to full membership of SKA Observatory following the signature of a cooperation agreement with the country's National Center for Radio Astrophysics (NCRA), acting on behalf of India's Department of Atomic Energy DAE. The agreement will be valid for 1 year. गाइस, आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो।